Hey everybody, this is Joel, your photo troll here. I'm up at Rocky Mountain National Park trying to get a few birds in, and I just thought I would show you guys a little illustration about why you need to use manual exposure for rafting. So I brought my reflector here. It's white on one side and silver on the other, okay? So when you're rafting, you're looking at me, I'm the raft, and you got me in the frame, the exposure's right and everything, and then boosh, they hit a splash of water, and all of a sudden your exposure drops because there's so much white in the frame, and then it gets back to normal. And so just when it gets exciting and they hit the big splash, boosh, that frame is too dark. So if I were to manually set my exposure to just where it is now, and then when the splash came up, there would be no change. It's like the splash would be super, super white, but you notice how everything else darkens down? If I was on manual, it would do that and nothing would darken down. It would just stay super bright, which is what you want. Okay, so I just thought I'd illustrate that for you, all right? This is Joel, your photo troll. I'll see you down the river.